What can $620,000 in Las Vegas get you if you're looking for a shop, a pool, and a half an acre? Well, I'm going to show you. Come on in. Walking in, nice large family room. And another living room here. And here's your kitchen. Laminate countertops. Some wood-like flooring. This is your nice pool, garden space. We'll take a look at their shop space out there. You'll see that. You have outdoor kitchen. Now I think this used to be the original garage. It's been expanded with cabinets here. A lot of cabinets. And this is the old garage, I believe. The bathroom now. And that was the door that goes outside to the driveway. And then they put a built-in here for an office space. So you could utilize this as a separate little apartment, guest suite if you like. And that goes out to the shop in the backyard. We'll take a look at that in a minute. Let's look at the bedrooms first. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Got a nice hall bath here. So it could use some updating. But you're looking for a half acre with a shop, a pool. Wow, this is a nice primary bedroom size. A really big walk-in closet with built-ins. And the bathroom. It's dated, but it all looks fairly functional. And you could update it as you like. For your linens there. Let's go take a look outside. Coming out of the house, you have a little RV or trailer parking there behind a gate. Coming up to the garage. And then here's adjacent to your patio space. In your pool, you could have your own shop. It's a good amount of space in here. Cabinets. Run a business or have a hobby. And you got a toilet facilities out here. Nice. Yeah, great space. Nice looking pool. Garden beds back there. Storage shed, more parking over there. Nice long patio. Your outdoor kitchen. Another storage area, garage space. All cinder blocks, that's cool. And more RV parking, gated alongside the house. Nice green area. You have dogs. Now this cinder blocks storage area, it's filled with shelving. If you're running a business or you had a lot of storage, you want to keep it nice, it's a great spot for you. If something like this interests you and you're looking for a shop, you're looking for around $600,000, half an acre lot with lots of RV parking, this might be the one for you.